Hey, good morning. I'm David Veach. This is Elevate Your Performance. Still babysitting the grandkids, so not quite the same structure as I usually have. Yesterday I teed up problem solving, and I'm going to be spending a little more time talking about problem solving. One of the things I wanted to share with you is this: in observing my granddaughter, who's 8 months old, and observing her learn. It's incredible to watch babies as they just kind of experiment and discover. And it makes me wonder, why is it so difficult for adults to do that? I mean, if we could just play around with stuff, how many problems could we solve if we just played around with things? Now, I teach a problem-solving process called the C4 process. It stands for concern, cause, countermeasure, confirm. I'll be sharing a lot more about that later. It's a simple way to teach people just how to simply think through what the concern is, what the problem is, really define that, and just kind of play around until you prove that's what the problem is. Then once you figure out the problem, you go to the next step. And we'll talk about that a little bit more in the future. I think I'm gonna have to cancel my lean coffee for today at noon. So I'll send that note out here in just a few minutes. But join me again tomorrow. More on problem solving, more on the future stuff, more cool stuff coming down the road. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.